Hello, in this video we're gonna check all available gestures and motions on Realme 9 Pro Plus. So to do this, we need to open our settings, then scroll all the way down to find the system settings. Here's gestures and motions. And first option is screen off gestures. I've shown you how to use that in my previous video about all lock screen gestures, so I'm gonna skip it right here. Next one is swipe down with 3 fingers to take a screenshot, and also touch and hold with 3 fingers to take a screenshot. First one, do it like that, and you make a screenshot. Another one works like this, and it's kind of different, as you'll be able to make the partial screenshot. Click here to save it, and next are the motions, so you can raise to wake your phone, and this works on the lock screen only, so you need to pick it up, and it should wake up your phone without pressing any button. Next is lift to ear to answer calls. So if you receive any call, you can pick up your phone and lift it to your ear, and then it will be answered. Next is auto switch to receiver, and this will work for your ear receiver same way as the previous option. And the last is to flip to mute all incoming calls. So you can place your phone upside down just like that, and then it will enter something like do not disturb mode and mute all incoming calls. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.